www.gibsonTruckWorld. Calm 2002 Chevy 2500 LS leather quad cab long bed Duramax diesel 4-wheel drive with only 79k miles, riding on 4 brand new 285 Nitos. 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, dual power leather seating, CD player, keyless entry, alarm, brush guard, toolbox, running boards, towing package, gooseneck hitch, power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors. With Chevy dependability, great towing capability and its powerful Duramax engine, this 2500 was built to go to work. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department with our exclusive 15-day return policy. Honest, reliable, loyal, we are the king of trucks. Repair,